Yamaha is going to double down on accessories and really buckle up for the Connect phone integration for the next couple of years. There is a huge amount of effort and money being poured into this, into the geofencing, speed control, speed regulation, mapping, pathing software. You're going to start seeing the microphones and the texting, the voice texting on the FX going onto the VX, onto the GPs. You're going to start seeing Connects really go crazy. They've put all of their money into the infotainment side of things. In fact, the media guy who was there since like 2006, he's now in charge of, they pulled him out of media relations, and now he's in charge of the whole Connect system. But if you want to pay, if you guys want to know kind of what's coming, go look at Yamaha boats first and see what is available through the Connect software. And that's going to be trickled down into the dashboards of the WaveRunners. And that's going to be the big thing. I would love, heavens, I would love to see the full-size 7-inch screen available for the naturally aspirated FXs. That I felt was a egregious error. Like, it was a sin. It was wrong. It was so wrong that they hamstrung the cruiser, who's typically the older guy with bad eyes, with the smaller screen. I was like, who thought this was a good idea? The performance guy doesn't need the big honking screen. He's like, tell me what my tack is doing. Tell me what, give me a better fuel gauge. So, that's going to be kind of where they take it. They're really gonna take that ball into the end zone on that one. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.